Hey guys, and welcome to video 3 of week 2. In this video, we are going to be going over step 3 of our process for designing a data structure or designing a database, and that is going to be identifying tables and assigning columns. And so if we go back to our previous example, we have our customer invoice, and we've broken it down into data elements. We've subdivided those data elements into smaller components. We've separated them into buckets. And now we can start thinking about how these smaller components are going to play into a database or into tables with columns. We're not going to worry right now about primary keys and foreign keys. We're just working through the steps to translate from real world into basically database world. And so let's work through each of these and actually come up with our columns. So we're going to start with a customer table, which is going to have we'll say a column named first name, a column named last name, a column named street, address, a column named city, a column called state, and a column called zip, and then we'll have a column for phone number and a column for email as well. And so this is our proposed table for customers. We'll just call that customers. For our vehicle table, which we'll call vehicles, we'll have a column for make, a column for model, and actually we're going to go ahead and add in the descriptors as well on the columns. So let's work back over customers real quick. So customer name or customer first name is going to be basically string, and we're going to say it's not null. Same thing for last name, not null, and it's going to support, first two are going to support 25 characters, the second is going to support 50. And in this one, how many digits is the phone number? 10. We'll say 10. Could probably make this an integer as well, but we'll add some formatting in later. Email, and we can actually allow this one to be null. City, same thing. State, we only want the state code, so we're going to make that 2. And then we'll make email nullable as well. And then zip, we'll make zip an integer, not null. And so with our, if we jump back to our vehicle table, we're going to have, say, 25. Make is going to be a 25 character string, not null. Model is going to be the same thing. Submodel, submodel, we'll make that one nullable. Year, we'll make that one an integer, not null. Color, we'll make that one 10. Nullable, and then Vin, or what, there's certain rules around VIN number lengths, which I don't remember off the top of my head, but we'll call that 20. And that's going to be a string as well, because it can be, it could in theory be an alphanumeric string. Usually VIN numbers are. So now we're going to go ahead and create our part table. And when we're thinking about this, we're thinking about how, like I said, these data elements in our buckets are actually going to translate to tables with columns. And so we'll have a part table, parts, and that's going to have a manufacturer, a part number, part, we'll just call it number, name, and we'll make this 50. Just say that we have a part like extended radiator hose, or like extended radiator cap hose, or extended radiator cap vent system, or vent hose. Right, that's probably going to be more than 25 characters, so we'll make it 50. And we'll say part description. And we'll say description, and we'll make this 250. And then we'll say quantity. And that's going to be just an int. The description will make nullable, and then the unit price will be money, not null. So now we have our parts table. So now we'll do a work orders table, work orders, and that's going to have number,